हो गया? Student of class 8, date 11th May 2020, lesson The Ant and the Cricket, page number 21, stanza 2, on notebook you will write at last, ... and sorrow. At last ... and sorrow. New line. Q capital questions. What happened? Question number 1. What happened? To the cricket? What happened to the cricket? Answer. The cricket was starving. Full stop. Next line, question number 2. What did he do? What did he do? Answer. He became bold. And dripping with wet, and dripping with wet, went to the ant, and urged him some food. Full stop. And urged him some food. Full stop. Question number 3. Where did he go? Answer. He went to the ant. No next line. In the middle, in bracket you will write 3. It is stanza number 3. Says new line says the ant dot 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 winter away. Winter away. New line Q capital questions. Q capital questions. New line. Now one in number. What did the ant say to the cricket? Question mark. What did the ant say to the cricket? Answer. The ant said that he was cricket's apostrophe S. The ant said that he was cricket's dad and servant. But he never borrows. He never borrows. He never borrowed. And never lends. And never lends. L-E-N-D-S. Full stop. New line. Second question. Question number 2. What did the ant ask him? What did the ant ask him? Question mark. What was his reply? What was his reply? Answer. What was his reply? Answer. The ant of the cricket didn't he lay anything, didn't lay anything when the weather was warm. When the weather was warm. Full stop. New line. New line. The cricket replied, in a negative as he was busy. He was busy singing and dancing. Singing and dancing. Question number 3. Next line. What did the ant say? What did the ant say in the end? What did the ant say in the end? Question mark. Answer. The answer. The ant said, that then he should go. That he should go and dance. That he should go and dance winter away. That's all. Now page number 23, working with the poem. Working with the poem. Answer to question number 1. You will note down the question from the book. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" When does he say it and why? Write down answer. after the summer and spring, after the summer and spring seasons, after the summer and spring seasons had gone, the cricket came home, full stop. There was nothing to eat. There was nothing to eat. Full stop. So the cricket says, comma, inverted commas begin, O capital O, OH, O, X silent है, इसका pronunciation, X silent है, O, sign of exclamation. What will become of me? What will become of me? Question mark. Question number 2, one Roman. Find in the poem the lines that mean the same as neither a borrower nor a lender be Shakespeare. Answer. But page number 20, line number 4, line number 4, 5, 6. But we ants never borrow, semicolon. But we ants never borrow, semicolon. We ants never lend. Question number 2, 2 into 1. What is your opinion of the ants principles? What is your opinion of the ants principles? Principles की मीनिंग है मोटो, MOTTO. हिंदी मीनिंग है सिद्धांत. इंग्लिश मीनिंग मोटो, MOTTO. हिंदी मीनिंग सिद्धांत. Answer. The ants neither borrow nor lend. Neither borrow nor lend. Full stop. They are self-dependent, self-dependent. They are self-dependent. Full stop. But everybody can't be self-dependent, self-dependent. Full stop. So, he oblique she should, SHOULD, help others in need. But no need to write answer to question number 3. Question number 4, one in Oman. Which lines in the poem express the poet's comment? Read them aloud. इसका आंसर आप लिख लीजिए. Last two lines. Last two lines. Last two lines क्या है? Folks call this a fable. I'll warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. Question number 4, 2 in Roman. Answer: those who live today and think for tomorrow succeed, SUCCEED, in life. Full stop. New line. Moral dash: enjoy your present. But save for your future. That's all. Now lesson number 2, the tsunami. page, just first line. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. What is a tsunami? तो आंसर है what is a tsunami. क्वेश्चन है what is a tsunami. आंसर: a tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. Here on page number 24, you should study it before you read. Look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands given here. Study the map and then you have to answer 6 questions. You write down answer to the 6 questions in your homework, and tomorrow I will dictate you the answer and you will check your answer. Page number 25. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. This sentence is very important. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India, such as means, for example, such as means like, L-I-K. Such as means, for example, such as means like. Such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Coast means tat. Here are some stories of courage. Courage means sahas, himmat. And survival. Survival means अस्तित्व. सर्वाइवल मीन्स अस्तित्व. आधा सा छोटी की मात्रा का आधा का व अस्तित्व. सर्वाइवल की इंग्लिश में मीनिंग द एक्ट ऑफ सर्वाइविंग. The act of surviving. The act of surviving. Did animal sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. क्या पशु ये जान लेते हैं कि सुनामी आ रही है? Some stories suggest that they did. कुछ कहानियाँ ये निष्कर्ष देती हैं, सजेस्ट देती हैं, सुझाव देती हैं कि वे did that they sensed, कि वो जान लेती हैं. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar or the Pelago. Archipelago means द्वीप समूह. द्वीप समूह. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society. Cooperative society means सहकारी संस्था. सहकारी संस्था. Ignatius was the manager, प्रबंधक of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up, उसको जगाया at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake, because she sensed an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off. Took means removed. Television set off, off means from. हिंदी मीनिंग सा में एक ही मात्रा. ऑफ मीन्स फ्रॉम हिंदी मीनिंग से. टेलीविजन सेट को टेबल से हटाया एंड पुट इट डाउन ऑन द ग्राउंड सो दैट इट वुड नॉट फॉल एंड ब्रेक. और उसको जमीन पे रख दिया जिससे कि वो गिर करके टूट न जाए. इस लेसन में कुछ कहानियां हैं और पहली कहानी जो है वो इग्नेशियस के बारे में है. She felt means एहसास हुआ, एहसास किया. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. Ground means earth. Jameen. Ground means earth. So that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. Rushed out of means ran away from. Rushed out of, ran away from. हिंदी मीनिंग बाहर की ओर दौड़े, बाहर को दौड़े. When the tremors stopped, tremors means quakes, Quakes. और मीनिंग गिवन है a slight shake. Earth tremors, the earth shakes during an earthquake. तो tremors की मीनिंग गिवन है. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. उन्होंने देखा सन को राइज करते हुए, सी को राइज करते हुए. यानी समुद्र में उन्होंने उफान देखा. They saw the sea rising. समुद्र में उन्होंने उफान देखा. समुद्र में उन्होंने उफान देखा. In the chaos and confusion, अव्यवस्था और कंफ्यूजन में कंफ्यूजन मीन डिसऑर्डर. केओस की भी मीनिंग है डिसऑर्डर अव्यवस्था. केओस मीन्स कंफ्यूजन मीन्स केओस. हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ व्यवस्था। तो अब व्यवस्था में two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. उनके दो बच्चों ने हाथ पकड़ा मदर के फादर का। मदर के फादर मीन्स ग्रैंड फादर कहते हैं, नाना आप कहते हैं उसको। एंड मदर्स ब्रदर, मदर के ब्रदर को आप मामा कहते हैं। तो एक ने नाना का हाथ पकड़ा, एक ने मामा का हाथ पकड़ा। एंड रश्ड इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, और विपरीत दिशाओं में, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन विपरीत दिशाओं में दौड़े। नाना मामा अगर पूरब की तरफ दौड़े, नाना अगर पूर्व की तरफ दौड़े तो मामा जो है पश्चिम की तरफ दौड़े। और ही आया इग्नेशियस के लिए। ही नेवर सॉ देम अगेन, इग्नेशियस ने उन लोगों को फिर कभी नहीं देखा। हिज वाइफ वॉज ऑल्सो स्वेप्ट अवे। स्वेप्ट अवे मीन्स गॉन विथ वाटर। Swept away means gone with water. उसकी पत्नी भी समुद्र के पानी के साथ बह गई। Only the 3 other children, केवल 3 दूसरे बच्चे, यानी कुल उसके बच्चे थे 5, 2 तो बह गए, बचे 3, तो 3 other children who came with him, जो कि who came with him, हिम आया इग्नेशियस के लिए, इग्नेशियस के लिए, जो कि इग्नेशियस के साथ थे, वो सीव्ड, वो बच गए। तो इस दोनों बच्चे भी पत्नी बह गई, दोनों बच्चे भी उसकी माँ और भाई के साथ बिछुड़ गए। इस प्रकार इग्नेशियस ने सुनामी में अपनी पत्नी, 2 बच्चों और अपने फादर और भाई को खो दिया।